Here's some tool purchases. Mini torx set from Sears. Made in USA, lifetime warranty. Goes from T5 up to T9. And here's some Pittsburgh Pro stubby ratchets. They have flex heads and stuff. Here's a Craftsman 1/4 inch for size comparison. It's a little shorter. Head is pretty similar size. $10 on sale. I think these were like $10 full price. This is like $12 on sale. Super long extensions. Here's a hammer for a size comparison. So yeah, they're pretty long. These have metal switches on the back. They're not metal coated plastic or anything, they're just metal. And they say right and left. They seem pretty good. The only complaint I had was this little pin was kind of coming out or something, but I just hammered it and that fixed it. And these have knurling. The other type of extensions I like are the ones that are like nut drivers. I have the hard handle here. Yeah, all these have lifetime warranty. All these tools that I just bought, and this is just an old 3/8 socket. So yeah, these ratchets seem pretty good. If any of these tools break, I guess I'll make a video on it, unless it's these and they strip out. So just an informational video in case anyone's looking at these tools. But they seem pretty good for the price anyway.